Turning to the coronavirus, the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine for kids 6 months to 5 years old has been submitted to the FDA for emergency use authorization. And the agency's vaccine advisory committee is scheduled to consider it on February 15th. That means that shots could be available in a matter of weeks. With that comes a lot of excitement from parents who've been waiting to vaccinate their young ones. Our Claudia Rupsitz spoke to a Valley pediatrician about what his patients are saying and has reaction from a parent choosing to hold off.
Babies as young as 6 months old may soon be able to get a COVID-19 vaccine. Tuesday, Pfizer asked the FDA for emergency authorization of extra low doses of its vaccine for kids younger than 5.
We have a lot of interest now. Almost everyone who comes in with a child in that age group is asking me about the Pfizer vaccine more than they're asking about regular vaccines.
Dr. Dwayne Wooten is a pediatrician in Phoenix. He says the majority of his patients say they want to get their kids vaccinated.
You got to remember, kids are nothing but little human incubators. And they're spreaders. And they spread it to their other family members, especially the elderly in their family. And that's a big push for me.
These vaccines contain 1/10 of the dose given to adults. Pfizer wants approval for 2 vaccines, but is testing the need for a 3rd shot. Dr. Wooten says that doesn't bother his parents.
When it comes to the smaller children, they're more close to that. They're more used to the vaccinations because that's when we're giving them bulk of childhood vaccinations from birth to 5 years of age.
But he does hear concerns about vaccine studies and possible side effects. Donna Woodkich, who is vaccinated herself, shares some of those concerns. Her daughter Annabelle is 3 years old.
I understand there is science behind it, but there's also a lot of unknowns that are going on right now that I can't bring my daughter into doing that right now.
She, like many parents, is opting not to vaccinate her daughter because kids are less likely to get seriously sick from COVID.
Obviously, if she has to have it and the research is there to prove that it is completely safe, then we'll go through with it. But right now, I just feel like the risk is not as great that's warranted to have the vaccination.
Pfizer is expected to have more data on the efficacy of a 3-dose regimen in March or April, but authorizing the first 2 doses in February could start the immunization process earlier. Claudia Rupsitz, ABC 15 Arizona.